Material needed for this wig making are dump cap, ventilating net or sewing net, scissors, crochet pin the medium size, needle and thread, then one pack of kinky series from Expression. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eukaria, YouTube name Black and Shine. I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. If you are new here, hello, hi, welcome. Consider subscribing, and when you do, turn on the notification bell so that we can grow together. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this wig. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to place your net at the front of the wig cap. Then you sew it. It's not going to be a full frontal. If you look very well, you see that this particular size that I'm sewing is not up to a full frontal wig cap. You just have to add your net at the front of the cap, then sew it as you can see on the screen. So guys, after you are done sewing it, the next thing is to trim off all excesses at the back of the cap. Then after that, you pull out the cap and cut off the inside black net. Guys, let me allow you to watch these parts.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to get.
So guys, I hope you understand that part very well. The cut I used is cut 3. You have to cut your kinky into 3, and I'm using this medium size crochet pin. So another thing I will explain here is, if you want to crochet kinky, just twist it as you can see me do on this video. After you twist it, it will be very easy for you to crochet. So guys, let's keep crocheting to make sure that we crochet on all the black nets. After that, then we move over to the front. Enjoy these parts.
Can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you.
So guys, as you can see, we are done with the back of the wig. Let's work at the front of it where we have net. So the cut I will be using for this front is cut 2. And another thing is that where the black cap started at the front, that is same place you are going to start the sewing. All right, that is where you are going to, it's just like a clue to show you where to start. So all you need to do is place the hair, open it, and start sewing at the center of the kinky. After you sew it from one side of the hair down to the other side, then after that, then we'll move over to the next stage.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid. Just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do.
So guys, we are done with sewing at the center of the kinky. The next thing we should do now is to pull out the baby hair at the front. First, you have to flip the hair backward, then use your hand to pull out the baby hair. And while you do this, make sure you are arranging the kinky as well. Make sure you arrange it so in preparation for sewing. So the next thing I'll do after arranging it is to use my needle and thread to sew it. And we are sewing where we started at the front, like following the black net to where the thin end at the back. That is where the net end at the back. You have to sew it down as you can see on the screen. So guys, enjoy this part.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and
guys, we are almost there. Thank you for staying with me to this extent. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So the next thing you should do is to trim your hair. Trim it very well to taste the size you desire. Trim it, and again, before you trim, please kindly pull the hair out so that you know what you are trimming. Always pull it out. When you pull, you trim, and always be watchful in order not to overdo it. Make sure you trim it very well. Trim the front as well. Then guys, this wig is made for a client. For that reason, I didn't wear it the way I desired to. But the very first video I made, I indeed wore this wig the way it should be. So I'll be linking that video up in the description box in case you want to see how to rock it. Just check it out. But guys, I will surely repeat this tutorial again for you guys, where I'll be rocking this wig the way it's supposed to be, and I know you will love it. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Thank you for always supporting Black and Shine. Remember to share this video. Remember to like. Remember to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so and become one of us. And remember to turn on the notification bell. In that way, you will be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you guys for always supporting your girl. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.
If I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there? When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.